All right, hey everyone. A quick rundown and explanation of a workflow that we help our clients with, especially in the enterprise space where there's a lot more governance and guide rails around content operations and workflows. So let's whiz through this. So we're going to show you how we get SEO content researched, written, edited, formatted, and pushed into your CMS in about 30 seconds. We are going to be using Dojo AI for the entire editorial process. We're using Claude and its MCP connection, and in this case, Dotfusion's website is powered by Agility CMS. This will work with any headless or monolithic CMS. Okay, so let's start out here. So we start out with a blog post here. So let's get started with here is our workflow for creating an enterprise quality blog post. We go through 4 phases. So what we're doing right now is we're creating a post called Headless CMS for Canadian Enterprise. We have a phase 1 SEO content research and preparation. Now, this is a 4-stage workflow for a blog post. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour for this agentic stack from Dojo AI to do the research and preparation. So this runs in the background. We usually run it overnight. But nonetheless, this is an automated workflow. We do our research and prep. We proceed to a article writing phase. After the article is written, another agent takes over and does a final edit, making sure that we're SEO, AEO optimized, our authentic voice, internal links, all the data sources are verified, etc. Best practice stuff. And then our kind of magical phase 4, which is to refactor the entire article so it will fit into all of the fields within our blog content model on Agility CMS. This is the final file. It's a markdown file. You'll see that we have all of our SEO and metadata. We can also output schema data as well. We typically are using Claude for that, but you could go either way. So essentially we copy this, we go over to Claude, we paste that entire Agility ready blog post. Hey Claude, let's push this up into Agility CMS, and can you include the schema data as well, please? All right, we'll let it do its thing here. This may just take a minute. All right, so we see that Claude has published the post to Agility. It does a nice kind of publishing summary where it's identifying all of the content that it's putting into the right fields. Post is in staging, and we've got to get it a new category. So pretty cool, right? Now we'll just pop over to a Agility here. We will go down to get that out of the way to our blog section. And in our blog section, we will see that we have our new blog post. This is kind of the second in this experiment because the last one was a really long video. So here's the new blog post, and we can see that in our blog model, we have kind of 4 little sections. We have that card info, which I just highlighted here. When we go to blog, these are our blog cards, and there's a bit of info there, and then there's the actual blog post, but there's all these fields of content, and those are all represented here. Is the card description, here's the detail. Okay, here's our entire post. Okay, and our SEO fields, including schema data, all in there. So we do another round of human in the loop. We will read through the details, make sure all the links are working properly. We'll actually do a preview phase to do a once over for look and feel of the entire project before we publish it. But that is essentially, stripping down what used to take 4 hours and maybe more. So yeah, just to go through that once again, you've got your kind of 4-stage workflow to get enterprise quality content written, SEO formatted. We push it into Claude, write schema, move it right into the CMS, and there's a workflow in a little more than 30 seconds.